What's up YouTube? I'm Zach Oldshafer. Welcome to my channel if you're new. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys 100 vintage film cameras that I bought from Japan from the app Mercari. I paid about 230 bucks in total for all these. It was two different lots of 50 cameras in each. It's a mix of all different well-known brands such as Nikon, Canon, Ricoh, Kyocera, all different ones. In this video, I'm not going to be fixing anything or trying to fix or testing anything. All I'm doing is just showing you guys all the cameras that I bought. So stay tuned and I hope you enjoy. Before this video starts, guys, I just want to give a big thanks to you guys. We hit 69 views and 6.9 watch hours the exact same day. Really appreciate it, guys. Thank you and enjoy the video. So these right here are the two different lots that I got. I already separated some of them. This is all one lot together and that's a whole nother lot. But I just put them in this storage case just to be easier to move it. So this box right here, all mostly Canon cameras, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, and then this one, it's a little bit of a mix. Seagull, Pentax, Kyocera, Pentax again, Minolta. It's really just random. I bought all of these as untested, just as is. So let's get into it. So I got all the Canon cameras out of the box and I sorted them out all by the type. So obviously we have a bunch of multiples of each kind. But I'm gonna get a closer look on these and show you guys. Okay, so guys, the first camera that we got is this Canon EOS KISS camera. I'm just gonna be showing you guys all these up close. Not too much info about these or if they work or not, just showing you guys them. Just keep moving on, just keep going. The next Canon EOS KISS 3. All these are film cameras and they were all sold as is. Not going to be testing any of these in this video. Canon EOS KISS in gray and black. And then got an EOS KISS 3L in gray and black. I do like the look of these, like the gray and then with the black. Looks pretty clean. Okay. Then we got this Canon EOS 5. Got a couple of these. Then we got two of these. And then Canon EOS 10QD. Got a couple of these as well, I believe. Most of these I have multiples of. Then we got the Canon EOS 100QD. This little dial in the back here. Like I said, none of these are tested. I haven't tried any of these. I'm sure some of them probably work. Some of them are in good condition. Some aren't the best. Canon EOS 620. As you see, some of these have like damage. Some of them pretty clean, like this one isn't too bad all around. But none of these came with lenses, so I can't fully test them. I can only see if they turn on. This one, some of them came with the straps, but they're all like pretty beat up. Canon there. Got the EOS 630. This is the one that I had the second most of. I have 7 of these in this lot. Then we got the EOS 650. This one is missing the battery cover. It might just be in the box though. Japan. Yeah, I mean, I bought all these from Japan on Mercari. So expected to see some Japanese branding, and obviously these are Japanese brands. The EOS 600QD, missing the battery cover. That might also just be in the box. Then we got the EOS 750QD. This one is missing the battery cover and it's cracked right there. Not the best condition, pretty beat up. I'm assuming the cover is probably in the box, but I don't know if this will work since this is cracked here. It looks like the ribbon cable here is a little bit ripped too, so I'm sure this one probably doesn't work. Then we got the EOS 850. All these are pretty similar. I know this video might not be the most interesting, but if you're just like looking at old cameras, then this might be for you. Then we got the Canon EOS 1000QD. Got a bunch of these too. Yoko Ono? Nah. But Yeah, I mean, most of these are somewhat clean. Some of them are pretty dirty, like here, but I didn't want to take the time to show each and every one because they're all just the same cameras, basically. A lot of duplicates. And then we got this last one here for the Canon lot. Is this EOS 1000S. I tried to go in order by the numbers, if you guys noticed that when I was showing you them. But a lot of these did come with batteries inside. This one didn't, obviously. But so that's all the cameras. I almost forgot to show this camera. This is the last one in that Canon lot. This is the Rebel 2000 EOS. Another gray and black one. It's pretty clean. I'm not sure if this works. I haven't tested it. Let's see if there's batteries inside. And no, there's not. Okay, well that's the last one for this lot. And I'm gonna go into the next one now. Okay, so I finally got done sorting out the second lot. And we got a couple Canon cameras here. Some Nikon. Some Ryko. Got some Pentax here. Got one Seagull camera. Got a couple Olympus ones that are pretty beat up. Got some Kyocera down this line. And then all these here, those are all Minolta. So we got a lot of those. Some of them are duplicates, like a lot of those ones there. Those are all the same, basically. So I'm just gonna go through each camera, all the cameras by brand now to make it easier. So we got another EOS Kiss camera. Got another EOS Kiss 3, gray and black one. And then we got an EOS 750 QD. And the last Canon in this lot is the EOS 1000 QD. So you guys have seen all those already from the other lot, but I thought I'd just show them again because they came from this other lot. Okay, now we're at the Nikon camera. So the first one we got is this Nikon F50. Pretty clean. The battery cover's a little dingy though, but whatever. Then we got the Nikon F501. Pretty nice camera, I like it myself personally. Got a lot of buttons on it. But haven't tested this yet. Bottom's pretty loose. And we got the Nikon F90X. This one came with the strap. See, does it have any? Yeah, it says Nikon right there. F90X. Pretty clean. Haven't tested this one yet either. I haven't tested any of these, so all of them could work or none of them could work. I really don't know. I don't think I'll make a video on that because it's kind of boring just putting batteries in and taking them out because I can't really test the cameras at all without a lens. But on to the last Nikon camera, and it is this one, F401, and it has this little like cover or like to carry it, I guess, in. But take that off for now and show you guys the camera. And there's this little cover above the buttons, which I kind of like. Keeps it clean, looks nice. Yeah, that's it for the Nikon cameras. Up next, we got all these Ryko cameras. This one is the XR Solar. I don't really know. I've never heard of this brand before I bought this lot. I don't know if it's really good. It seems like kind of like a cheaper end one that just spins. I don't know if it's supposed to do that or not. That's the first Ryko camera. Then we got this Ryko XRP. Has this big thing up here. Don't know what that's for. There's this like chart back here. And not sure if any of these work. Last Ryko camera from this lot is the XR6. Similar looking to the other ones. Still pretty clean though. Oh, has corrosion there, so this one probably is gonna work. So that's the last Ryko. Okay, the next brand that we're on to now is Pentax. This is the Pentax SFX. Get all the up close shots on this. Then we got the Pentax SF7. This one comes with strap, Pentax on the label. This one's pretty clean as well. See if it has batteries. Oh, it does. I'm sure these are probably old and don't work. They're probably dead. But at least they're not like, there's no corrosion or anything. The next Pentax is this MZ3, gray and black. Pretty clean, doesn't really have too many marks or anything on it that I've noticed. Then we got this Pentax MZ7, This one's more beat up, pretty dusty and dirty up here. I'll have to try to clean this off if I go to try to sell it. Then we got the MZ50. The Pentax Z1P. This is a pretty heavy camera compared to the other ones. Pretty good condition. Then we got this Z10 here. Just like the last lot, I've been trying to go in order by like the numbers and stuff. As best as I can, obviously, it's not a big deal. Then we got this Z20. Looks pretty similar to the Z10 and it has a battery sticking out there. Oh. Just gonna pop this back in really quick. I'm just gonna leave this battery on the side, probably dead. We've got the Z70P. All these are pretty similar to each other, each different like subline. And the last Pentax camera that we got in this lot is this P30. I like the logo there, it looks pretty cool. This one is pretty dirty on the back here, pretty beat up. But that's it for the Pentax cameras out of this lot. Okay, so the next two brands, I only have one of each, so I'll just show them the same clip. We got this Seagull DF300AD. Honestly, I like the look of this camera. This one also has that little flip thing here. One seems pretty clean as well. See into the lens there. And then got this Olympus OM707. It's pretty beat up. This is just hanging out of here. Seems like it just... Okay, well that was a bit weird. I'm just trying to get this, just take those all out of there. It doesn't keep going off, and the lens is pretty broken. It's stuck up. Okay, so that's it for that. That was the Seagull and the Olympus camera. Okay, so the second to last brand that we got is the Kyocera brand. This is the 270 model. It's pretty beat up. There's a crack here. I doubt that this one will even turn on probably. Then we got Kyocera 210 AF with the strap. It says Kyocera there. This one is kind of beat up. It's not the worst, but just a little like dirty, just like sitting probably. That one might work. Then we got Kyocera 230 AF. It's in the same line as the other one. There's this big thing up here. This one might work, pretty clean. Okay, now we're up to the last brand that we got is Minolta. This is the 303 SI. There's 4 of these, I think, that came out of the lot. This one, I mean, the screen looks a little weird. I don't know if you could tell on camera. And this one overall is pretty clean. Then we got the 507 SI. This one missing the battery cover, and it's seems to be like corrosion or something in here. This one probably isn't gonna work, but still a nice camera. Then we got the 3XI. This one also has a broken battery cover. It's just, that might just be like glue residue. I'm not really sure. I still don't really want to touch it. But, and 3700i. This one is also missing that cover that goes over here. Pretty beat up. I mean, it just wipes off pretty easily. But then we got the 5XI, another one broken cover here. And then we got just the basic 5000 with another missing broken cover. This just broke right off. Okay, pretty fragile, pretty delicate. Okay, so that's that. Then we got 5700i. I might have already went through this one, not sure, but I'll just go through it again and show you guys real quick. This one, pretty dirty there. And back here, there's a mark inside there, so this one probably won't work. Then got the 7000 model. This one is also cracked all here. I don't know what it is with all these Minolta cameras, but all of them, for the most part, are broken here. Don't know why, it's just those. So that's that one. Then we got the Minolta Suite, gray and black. I like the look of this camera, pretty clean. overall. Doesn't seem too bad. Not really dirty, nothing broken on it. Then we got the Suite 2L, which is the same basic design as the other one, except it's the second version, I guess, and whatever L stands for, I don't really know. I don't really know much about cameras. That's that. The final camera in this lot is Minolta Suite S, just like the other ones. Pretty clean all around. And I'll have to go through all these on my own time and test them out and see how many of them work. Okay guys, so that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for future videos. Stay blessed.